Hi friends, welcome back to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh Gorantla and today we are going to discussing about how to handle for multiple windows and tabs in our Selenium Java. Okay, first of all, what windows and tabs in Selenium? Okay, basically window is nothing but a separate a browser window, separate window browser is nothing but like a when you open for two windows. Now this is a one, right? If I open another Chrome, this is a another window. Okay, there are two windows which we are working. Okay, see, these are the two separate windows. We can call it as a two separate windows. Okay, whereas when you say for tabs is a new tab tab inside the same browser window. Okay, we have two windows like this. Now if I keep it into here itself, there are two now, two tabs. These are two tabs. Okay. Now Selenium, how it treats is basically Selenium does not differentiate between the windows and tabs. It will both are same. Means Selenium does not differentiate between window and tab. Okay, it will treat as a same. Selenium uses the window handle to switch between them. Okay, Selenium uses window handles to switch between them. Okay, it will use for switching and then it will do. How it will handle that window handle means there are methods like get window handle and get window handles and switch to that window. Like we done the framing and alert switching, right? A similar format we can able to use. And also it is use the methods called close and quit. Close is basically close the current window and quit it is close that all the windows it is opened. Okay. In a simple example, we can see how we can able to do. Okay. For this, I'm using this one. Okay, if I click, it will open for new tab. Okay, and I need to verify that title of that. Just we can print for the title and then switch. Okay, oh, still it is not opening. One minute. Now it is open. Okay, we can create our own file. PC18 underscore Windows. Okay, and finish. Okay, I store this one. Now we need to take the URL of this one. Okay, now I'm pasting here. First, you can see now here this is the parent and this is a child. Okay, you can imagine that is a parent and child relationship. Okay, whenever my page is open, I want it will give you for unique ID to get this one because we are going to use for there are two methods, uh, get window handle. This is a one method, and get window handles. Okay. First one, it will give for a single unique ID. Okay. And this is multiple unique IDs. How it will give me multiple? Now you imagine if there is a link or button, something you click, it is open for multiple tabs, then it will be a multiple tabs, not at the single, right? Here we have got the single, then we can able to get by using that itself. But when you are use the clicking, and if it is open two more tabs, that's a multiple, that all the multiple tabs unique ID it will returns. Okay. Now we need to click. Before click, we need to get the ID of current window ID. Okay. Driver dot get window handle. Here it is there. It will return for open queue handle to the window that uniquely identified within the driver instant. This can be used to switch the window at the later time when you are going to use, right? That time we can able to use it. Okay. This will give return for a unique ID. Then we can store that into a parent window. Okay. Now we store the parent window. If you want, we can print and see that how this unique ID will be there. Okay. Parent window plus. Okay. Now we need to get the child. After clicking, we will get, right? Now first we need to get the path of this to click. Okay. You can see when the anchor tag is a href, this is a new tab it is going, and target as a blank. Okay, when you are having this kind of things, you can able to use. Okay, when it is not like that, but only for href, this is basically it will navigate it. Okay, but you need to remember how you have to take. And in case if there is no path like this, and you need to go and take the parent, and then you need to come to up to here. Okay. Anchor tag and text. Okay, now I'm going to use for driver dot find element by dot x path. Then I'm specifying my x path dot click. Okay, now I click that my link, then it will open for new tab. Okay, that link, it will open a new tab, right? Then I need to get the all windows, what are the things it is open after that I need to get it, right? For this we are going to use for driver dot get window handles. This is will return for set of window handle, which set of windows, not set of values it will return. Okay. Iterative over all the open windows from the WebDriver instance by passing them to switch to dot opens dot window. Okay. You can able to use that, and you can able to switch it. Okay. It will return for a set of unique values. Then all windows or child windows, you can able to mention whatever you want. Okay. Then all the windows we need to run from using for loop. Okay. String window, all windows. Okay. In this window, again, we need to check whether that window is parent window or not. Okay. Not window dot equals. Okay. That's a parent window. If not equal. Okay. it should not be equal to the parent window. Okay, it need to go get for another windows. Okay, then if it is go driver dot switch to dot window. Okay, it will expect for to the value which we are getting, whether giving the name or handle to that particular window. Okay, now I'm going to use for window. Okay, we are switching. After switching, we need to handle for that particular web page. Okay, after it will navigate into the child window. Okay, we can get it for the title of that. Okay, we can get for this a new window text is there, h3 tag. Okay, we can use for h3 tag and we can print for that values. Okay, driver dot find element by dot tag name. Okay, we can use the tag and then we can use for get text. Okay, this will return the text and then we need to close the driver. Okay, that particular window we need to close. Okay, we'll close that and then we need to switch to the parent. Okay, whenever your execution is completed and then you need to switch into the main window. If you are not switch, it will be a difficulty. Now the execution is the last of that particular child means is enough, no issues without switching also. But it required to work on parent also. If it is required to work on parent, then it is required to switch back to parent window like a frames. Okay, sorry, parent window. Okay, and then I need to close for complete drivers. Okay, I'll use for 2 seconds to see whether it will be closed or not. Okay, then I'll use for driver dot acquit. It will close for all the driver which is opened. Okay, it is waiting because I have given 5 seconds and closed and see it is closed the child and parent also it is closed and title is displayed and this is the unique ID. Okay, even you can able to use for window type dot switch also. Okay, we will click here. Okay, we can try for another method which is a driver dot switch to dot a new window. Okay, we can try this. I'm never tried into my real time also. This is a tabbing. Okay, we can see whether it will be switched into that newly open tab or not. Yes, it is open for new tab. This is basically a new tab opening. Okay, new tab is basically and it will open already open tab plus it will open. Then you can able to use for driver.get and you can provide for URL or anything. You can able to use the similar format window also. Instead of tab, you can use for window. This also it will open as a new window. Okay, you can see differentiation. That is a tab. It will open for new tab. It will open for another one. See, it is a new window, it is open, right? Like that we can able to do. Okay. And even now, basically we can able to use for index position of the tabbing, but in real time it won't work because sometimes it is the index positions are different will be there. Okay. Don't use for indexed based switching of values. Okay. In a real time in automation scenario wise, how we can able to use. Okay. In real time wise, if you say scenarios like a payment gateway. Payment gateways we need to handle, right? That time we need to use this windows, new windows like a PayPal. It will open for once you click the. Nowadays, some of the applications open for new tab, and there you can need to provide some things. Okay, and also we can able to use for Auth0, Auth login Auth0. Okay, and also we can able to PDFs also. Okay, and some what we can say some terms and conditions. Okay, PDFs and terms and condition links. Okay, and also email verifications. Okay, email verifications like this. So many scenarios we can able to use the switchy cases and all, right? And now I'm going to give for one homework type. Okay, simple homework. Okay, how right now we used here clicking, right? Now don't want to click anything, but you have to do for two tabs open. Okay, two tabs. Now I used for two windows open, right? Like this. Use for this condition only. Okay, driver dot switch to dot new window. Open a new window, and there one what you can say YouTube channel or anything you can able to open in that new tab. Okay, and a normal Chrome driver it will open for one URL, and new window it will open for new thing. Okay, then again switch and try whether the new window it is able to switch and verify the value or not. Okay, this is a condition. Okay, but here we click and do that. Right now don't do that, just open for new tabs, new windows like this. Okay, this is the one and this one is one. Okay, two windows. Okay, and first window is by default one URL and second window is another URL, and switch between that and try to get the titles or something values, and close child window, it means a newly open window, and parent window. After that you can close it. Okay, if you are not able to do, comment on this video, I can help you for that as well. Okay, thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.